Hi, my name is Tommy Markey, and for my CEL 10 project, I created a navigation system for a boat that could float around bodies of water and dispose it of any oil that's inside or floating on top of it, because as we know, oil in our oceans, lakes, rivers is very, very common, and it's very bad for our marine life. And even because it's our drinking water, it's really bad for that as well. Um, so I wanted to continue a project that was created last semester, and the project didn't have its navigation system, but it did have its motors and the boat created. But in order for the boat to move on its own, it needed a navigation system that could connect to the motors, which was my job. So I used the app groundcontrol, which really was where all my data was stored and where it all took action to. And I used the Pixhawk 4, which was the tablet for all of my attachments and plugs that would plug into the computer and call and really make the thing work. The Pixhawk 4 was directly attached to the ground control once you plugged it in the computer, and it connected to it is the GPS and the balance and everything that can make the boat move and move on its own. Although I was not yet able to connect my Pixhawk 4 to the boat and its motors, I think if I had just a little bit more time, like a month or so maybe, not even, a couple more classes, I could have really figured that out and got the boat moving and able to get into a body of water. Thank you. Along the way, we ran into some problems with the Pixhawk breaking, but luckily Mr. Randall came to the rescue and we figured out the problems and it worked back fine like it did before.